Changing your primary email on Citi Holding Company is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Citi Holding Company website and log into your account using your current credentials. Make sure you have access to your existing email for verification purposes. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings section. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the web page under your profile or account name. Step 3. Select Email Preferences. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your email address. Find the field displaying your current primary email address. Enter your new email address in the designated field, ensuring there are no typos. Step 5. Save changes and verify it. After entering your new email, save the changes. You may receive a verification email at your new address. Follow the instructions in that email to confirm the update. Once you've completed these steps, your primary email will be successfully changed. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.